get this one ready for us. Up and ready. Okay. Somebody call Caitlin to wake up. Oh my god. Okay, 2 minutes. Just get the zoom on. Holland in the stands, Max in the pitch. Yeah, no, that's a rare thing. Yeah, man, Holland was there. It's sick. Also, Alvarez was next to him as well. Pretty cool, man. Okay, so just get everyone in here and we'll take a look. So yeah, be 1 second. Just quickly go get a drink. Oh god, I'm knackered, man. But yeah, looking like, to be honest with you, from face value here, there's nothing too much going on at the moment that we need to look at in terms of candles. But we'll do that analysis in a second. Let's just get this all up and over here. But yeah, wow, looking like a lot of choppy candles here. Through the news, we got a nice little spike to be expected. Actually, what actually happened here? Ooh, what actually happened with the news yesterday? I was driving at the time. Oh, it pushed down, bearish, then continued all the way back up. Interesting. How was the slippage? How was the spread? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Right, I'll be 2 minutes. Just quickly go get a drink, and then I'll be ready to go. Okay. So, yeah, let's get into this over here. Looking like GJ is just pushing over here. Ooh. GJ. So, let's get up and ready into this. Let's take a look then, right? The monthly candle closed. Probably on GJ closed very, very bullish above. Yep, so nice on a monthly time frame. Still very, very bullish. That's what we are seeing here, right? So, still GJ He's looking for some good buys. I mean, in terms of the monthly, where would you expect price to continue to? A little bit of resistance there, which we didn't close above, which is a bit annoying. So, you know, could still respect that little level here. Monthly res, which is that there. But yeah, still bullish. So that's obviously the bias in terms of taking trades. In the past couple of days, though, if you actually take a look over here, two dojis, another kind of a bearish doji, and now we're starting to push up, nearly breaking the highs of the previous dailies. Okay, we're just about to break the previous daily high. The 4-hour time frame has no bottom wick, but it's obviously started to push pretty early this morning to continue bullish. Okay, the hourly and the 30-minute time frame, if you take a look here, start to maybe mark out where you want to potentially take trades, right? We have a level which we are about to kind of come to right now, yeah. Right here. Let's just put this on. So yeah, we have a sort of resistance here, you know, around these areas. Where am I getting this from? Well, if you look to the left hand side, we had resistance here. We had support there. Resistance there, resistance there, resistance there. So yeah, there's quite a lot of resistance here. If we get a closure above, in terms of actual zones, you know, I think we're actually pretty good to continue bullish over here. And maybe first target would be 174, pretty much flat. Yeah, that would be nice. And that's obviously a 30 pip zone. Every single time we come above, I think this is maybe news here. Yeah, this is news. But in terms of actual pushes up, yeah, it might have a little bit of issue at 723, but that was the initial drive, right? Since then, we've came all the way up to 174. So I think that makes sense, you know. Nice, strong, clean candles already. I think, yeah, if you get a closure above here, I think the zone up would not be too bad. So potentially wait for some buys over here. How's that look like in the 4-hour as well? Yeah, I mean, I think the zone above is decent. The 4-hour obviously has a little bit of resistance here, but for the most part, before it makes the res, it does come back up to the high. If you look at the hourly here, you can see it pretty easily. Price can continue to 173.950. So I think buys above here would be great. Okay, so yeah, wait for that. Yeah, I mean, you know, depending on the next candle, you know, looking like it's going to be quite a strong with a big low wick. I think the 15-minute could be decent. So yeah, we'll wait for that. I'm mainly focused on gold and looking for M's and W's and GJ. Yeah, fair. I don't think that's too bad. I think that zone above is good. New monthly trips got to catch them all. So yeah, potentially closure there. Goldie on the other hand, oh, Goldie looks a bit choppy over here. Daily candles have been closing. I mean, we've had a bullish one, a bearish one, but I think that was with the wick. Yesterday's closed bullish with quite a big rejection wick to the upside. Daily time frame right now is like this. So daily's bearish right now. It's pretty much at the flip though. 4-hour time frame is obviously bearish as well. Made a top wick, rejected 1966 in that area. In terms of obviously the 4-hour here, there is a little bit of a 4-hour support, but if we close below, then you know may potentially continue to 1960, and then furthermore 1955. That would be nice. So that could be interesting. Take a look then at the left hand side here. Where would you want to potentially take trades? Well, you know, we do have a support there, which we've just discussed. The zone below is actually not too bad in terms of pushes. However, I think for me, the easiest place for me to take sells would be probably below 1952.5. I think if I get sells below there, I've got a nice clean zone to go and fill in terms of the hourly. And we can potentially get back down to, you know, I mean, good levels would be back down to support like here. To basically correct that whole little push up with rejecting, coming back below this support as well. So you can see on the 4-hour time frame, this is all support. So if I get a closure below these levels, I can start to fill this zone here, which would be nice. So yeah, I think sales below 52 would be nice. How about the sells now? I mean, the sells now, you know, the zone, if you actually think about it, if you actually just take a screenshot of like this, every single time we come in this zone, we move very, very quickly. So I think the sells here could be quite good to, you know, 1960.5 at least. Yeah, that would be easy. So let me just go here 1 second. But yeah, in terms of the sells, as I say, I think that zone below would be nice. Would be good, real good. Okay. So I'm looking for sells. Please don't use a Wanda chart. Why not? Why not? I quite like a Wanda chart. It's very similar to my actual price, so that's why I use a Wanda. GJ is trash. The price action's trashy. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I think the zone above is not bad, you know. Oh, just closed with is that a top wick? Not much of a top wick. So yeah, we'll wait a little bit longer over here. Gold hanging around Asian lows. Yeah, a little bit stuffy over there. I agree. So I mean, there's one thing you got. You know, do you want to wait for the 15? Do you want to wait for the 30 on GJ? Yeah, the only thing is the 4-hour. I think the 4-hour res is a little bit painful. 15 minutes left for the 30. Let's just take a look in lower time frames. Let's take a look at the 5. Yeah, what he came back up to it though. We're not coming back and retested that yet. Let's take a look. So this is a little interruption. Interesting. So the good that's the reason why we quite like the 5 minute, because you can start to see things that you wouldn't have saw before. So for example, yeah, we got a little level here, candle before push. This is like the interruption candle, which is normally an area of rejection. So yeah, it's interesting. Once you get into this level, you probably go break even. I hope that bitch runs, man. I need my phone with me, really. Forgot to charge my phone last night. That shit was getting charged up, boy. But yeah, if you got into GG, I would say now, yeah, break even. Your stop loss actually before you'd be up, like, yeah, only 5 pips to be fair. Your stop losses still, you know, around 15 pips, yeah. So maybe like the 7-8 pip mark, maybe like up here, and then I'll just go break even if you're in it. I'm in buys and GA clean range to the left. Yeah, I don't think it's too bad. You're waiting on the 30, yeah, probably. To be honest with you now, that's the push that I wanted. You had to get in pretty quickly there. Would you have had to wait for much of a top wick, bottom wick? No, but I've only just saw it and I haven't got a signal ready or anything, so it's, yeah, I kind of missed that one. There's a little bit of an IC now, so yeah, I would say here now I'd go break even. If you got into this closure above, I'd go break even here. There's, you know, 80% at that level there. So stop loss to break even if you guys got into some GJ there. Let me just change also the gain here as well. This is June. Yeah, we are hovering actually on this Asian lows, which is quite interesting on War Goldie. But yeah, how's everyone in the chat? Let's take a look. How's everyone doing? How was yesterday's news? Did news slip anyone? Did news screw anyone over? How did it go? And I think someone in the chat said they got screwed over a little bit. Yeah, I heard some people maybe got screwed over a little bit, but that's all good. So yeah, we have like 8 pips in this one. 8 pepperonis. Let me just go over here. So yeah, last night was sick, man. It was very, very fun. Do you like M's and W's better or closures above below ranges? If the ranges are clean, then I still like, you know, I still like closures and ranges. Yeah. M's and W's are still, you know, brand new and stuff, but they seem to work out pretty well. But yeah, always stuff like that, especially when you know there's a little bit of an area of rejection there. Always just go break even. Halfway through where your stop is. So if your stop is like 20 pips, just go break even at 10. Max, to be honest, I kind of love M's and W's now. Yeah, there's been loads, man. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Get those likes up. Such a good win rate. Yeah, such a good win rate. Good R as well. It's perfect, man. It's perfecto. We just gotta hopefully get some hopefully no retests. Sorry, hopefully we do get retests, not no retests. God, not like yesterday. If people are on the stream yesterday, my God, there was like three entries for M's and W's, but just no retest when it closed below, which is mad. And they all ran as well. Not again. Did you enter the trade, Max? No, I'm just showing you how I would have dealt with it. It broke the high straight away, you know. Did you need much of a lower wick though? No, because the last one already made it, so that's fair. Yeah. But yeah, new month, man. New month on the tables, so that'll be fun. Made like 10% last month, which is not bad. Withdrew some yesterday. Some months a lot of no wick candles again. Yeah. Well, I mean, just executing, eh? We just gotta go click, 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 boy. Good morning, everyone. Huge Junior. That's no problem for me. It wouldn't be for me either if I was just fucking clicking, but telling a group to get in at a certain level is hard, man. All you gotta do is just click by yourself. First day of the month and we've already got a GJ breakout. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, you would have been up like 8 pips or so, break even. You might have got hit stop loss break even now, but it's reasonable enough, eh? Reasonable enough. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's run up those likes. Yeah, yesterday was fun, man. My mate just spotted Haaland. He was like, oh my God, Haaland's here. That's sick. He was vibing. I think that Monday is going to be the first day of the month. Wait, let me just check. I think the yeah, in terms of last month, in terms of last June, yeah, June last year was pretty disgusting. So hopefully it's not the same as that. It was very, very kind of low volume, yeah, a lot of ranges, but we got some M's and W's now, so ranges come and give me the man. Oh yeah, yesterday I did that little recap of the M and the retest. Let me just put this in the chat 1 second. Oh, Telegram is not responding. Oh, there. Zoom, I think it was there. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is for the homework. So obviously I do homework with the group because we've been doing quite a lot of closures and stuff like that. We've actually done quite a lot of this year and last year in terms of homeworks. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some M's and W's in and ask you if you should take it or not. So I think that's quite good, right? So I'm gonna do, you know, bring up M's and W's, show you like the 30-minute or the hourly time frame as well, and then you've got to decide if you want to take it or not. I think that's a good idea because it means you can start getting used to just taking them off, which would be fun. So yeah, we've got break even here. Good job. No drawdown though, so that's great. Yeah. So yesterday I took a GJ buy. Where was it? Yeah, here. This candle closed bullish above. 50-minute candle closed bullish above all of this. Okay. We knew we had to go retest this level here because we haven't retested it yet. Okay. And yeah, I executed it. Also the left hand side, if you look here, so clean. I mean, you know, the only thing was to mirror this candle. So I was pretty happy with that. So yeah, I took a buy here on the flip like that. Stop loss below there. I closed right at the high actually, which is pretty cool, like that. Yeah, good fun. Good, easy work there. Might happen a gold sell in 5 minutes, gang. Ooh, GJ is an IC in the 5 for sell. Just looking for a pivot trade at this at the moment. Yeah, we discussed it on the 5, eh? So let's see if it's held. So you normally do the one that's kind of not holding. Let's just do this. Yeah. So nice. You'd be in that. Stop loss would have been 8 pips. We're already up 8 now. Not bad. So that's kind of why as well we were discussing of not getting in. Kind of want to push. You want to push to this level. That price can reject you and then just go break even. So great job. But yeah, we'll have to see into the gold because there is some support, you know, here. I need to change this bar. Why is this bar much lower now in terms of color? I wonder where is Oh, Kiko is here. Hello, Kiko.
I am here. Hello.
Hello. How you doing, brother?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm tired.
How was yesterday?
It was sick, man. It was really good.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it. Yeah, it was wicked. I've got lots of videos. I put some up.
Did you see Don?
Did I see who?
Don Straits.
Oh fuck! I think I did.
I think he filled the bank.
Yeah. He just took the
Bro,
cells
I started
all the way
counting.
back
I was
down.
like 20k. I was like, what?
Yeah, he was just adding them on, eh? All down here.
Yeah.
I think that was it. Maybe it was there. No, it was there, I think. I wonder what his analysis was on that, because changing direction from bullish to bearish.
Yeah, it's a new setup. That's what he said, I think.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, interesting.
Yeah. Beautiful. Did you get pissed, mate? Nah. Yeah, I had like 2 drinks and then I just drove.
How responsible.
I know. 150 low fighter whiskey. He's got some balls on it. Yeah, man. Some big juicy knockers, eh? Yeah, the venue as well. The Etihad Stadium is like proper. It's massive, and then they've also got another stadium next door that's getting built, and that's even bigger. It's mad.
Why are they building that one for?
I don't know. Yeah, I was.
One's not enough.
Yeah, I was like, why do they need another one? Actually, guy might be getting an M on GJ. Oh shit, yeah. Thing is, though, we do have a zone here. To be fair, yeah. We'll see. Maybe a little. Did you take anything unused, Kiko?
So you remember what we discussed? I was thinking more of vibes.
Yeah.
So it started pushing up before, so I thought maybe it's priced in. Then I put like a buy stop above the retracement, but it just went down. So I was like, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Let it go. And then it just ripped up, eh?
Yeah.
Ripped up after.
Yeah, I thought of taking buys, but I was in the gym and I was like, come on. You know, overdoing it now.
Yeah, you don't want to overdo it.
I am in gold sells though, at the moment. Intuition trades, to be honest.
Yeah, nice top wick there as well.
Yeah.
So the 30 minutes about to close in 50 seconds time. Yeah, back down to maybe 1961.
Yeah, 1960 is my TP.
Very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice.
It's only because we ranged through Asian so hard. So I was like,
Yeah, that's true. That is very, very true. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Make sure to share and all that kind of good stuff. And yeah, start of a new month, which is good. So, we'll see what we can get today. But yeah, all the monthly candles opening, all of them moving around. Already bullish on GJ here. Yeah, I mean, where else? I'm trying to think of where else you'd maybe want to take trades on Goldie. Yeah, JD's got a lot of support around them areas as well. We'll wait on. I mean, we are at support here now, so if I get a sort of W, I'd look to take it as well. To be fair. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this GJ here because we're looking like we made a low. You know, if you come back up, then reject again, then yeah, the Evans would be good. Good target. You know, sit in areas below would be rather nice. That would be pretty good. Mourinho finally lost the European final. Oh, was there games last night?
I think I saw some news about it.
Oh, when was this? Oh, yesterday.
Did they lose penalties?
Yeah.
Bro, I really love Mourinho, to be honest, yeah.
Yeah,
he's a funny guy.
Yeah, he is. What's this?
Who's Anthony Taylor? I remember that name.
Yeah, who is it? Yeah, I'll show people the yeah, I don't know how my mate. Well, obviously when you see Haaland, you can't not unsee him because he's just a funny guy, right? Look at him. Jeez. Haaland just vibing. Oh, that's
just
Alvarez.
Look how much money is worth.
I think his dad's on the other side. Yeah, right. Now look at him, that's fucking dead.
I'm butchered. I was knackered. You find out most yellow cards in the European game ever. Roma had 8. Oh my god. He's a Prem ref. Oh, he's a Prem ref. Shit. 8 yellow cards. My god.
8 yellow cards.
Holy fuck. Well, their team had 8 yellows. So
straight UFC.
Oh my god. I think gold can be a W formation if it goes back above the range. Gold.
Don't say those things. Let me win my trade first, and then.
Yeah. Well, it's at support now. I think that's where I
Yeah,
take
I'm gonna go break even.
If you look here, look to the left hand side for targets. Where it would be targets? Well, we wick down here, wick down support there, support here.
You also have that wick to the left, so I'm just gonna go break even. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't run, well, fuck it.
Hmm.
Did you see my streak? What I posted yesterday in the chat?
Oh, I don't know if I did.
I think it was before the GJ trade. Just before the GJ trade.
Yesterday.
Posted. Yeah.
What the fuck did Brian take yesterday? Look at that. Where the hell is it? I can do is that a photo?
Yeah. It's a terminal photo.
Oh, here, there. Yeah. Yeah, that's good shit, man. Very nice. Not bad at all, eh?
Yeah, I'm getting there.
Beautiful. You're gonna take a position on GJ? Well, we'll see. Still got a while to come up, and then goes bearish below. But yeah, potentially because it is at res, so and it is rejecting pretty hard. So I'll get rid of that now. Yeah, that's the first kind of target. Yeah, I mean, I was looking at maybe this bearish candle there, so we can flip. But it's kind of here. This is a bit odd because obviously this is the open of the daily. It's like, is there a support there, or was it just sitting on a level? Yeah, kind of hard to see. A little bit hard to see. I started looking at the 5 minute. My trading has improved a lot thanks to you. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, man. I feel the 5 minutes is where to be. You know, I feel it's just easy to see things that you wouldn't really normally see in the 15 and 30. You know.
Plus, it has that extra. Sometimes you're doubting yourself on the trade, but if you get a 5 closure above or below, you feel way more confident about it.
Yeah, that's true.
Come on, Goldie. A bit more. You can do it.
And you just see like little things, like those GJ buys there. Like someone might be trying to hold them, but actually there was a little area in the 5 minute there that hasn't been tested and just has now. So yeah, it's an interesting one. Let me quickly look at my phone. Yeah. Watching. Yeah, GJ may have an M very shortly over here.
I got break even.
Oh, did it wick all the way back up?
Yeah.
I did say.
Yeah.
Good.
But yeah, I was like, I wasn't there yet. I wasn't at a 1-to-1.
That's fair. Leave it at break even. Move on to the next one.
Let me go look at this GG that you're talking about.
So the neckline would be like, yeah, around here. Now there is a level here which we've just tapped before, so that's okay. Yeah, I don't know. Huh? What is that? Go. You okay? So yeah, in terms of untesteds nearby, where's the one? Well, we broke above here, but we've already came back and retested it here, so that's fine now. So you know, if later on we get a bearish closure, let's say that this comes up high and then the next one starts to close bearish, if you get a closure below there, then yeah, I'm taking it. So just get this a little bit ready here. I'm kind of glad it's reflipped over here, so it can get maybe a little bit higher. And then when it starts rejecting again, or if it starts rejecting again, we'll know what to do, man. We'll know the score. So yeah, where could targets be? 350. This one would be like 500. Depending on, that's only 10 pips. Yeah, I'd want a bit more than that. Maybe like 350. And then furthermore, potentially into the zone below for 173 flat, which should be down there. Yeah. Very good. So we'll wait. If this GG making a W, would you take it, Max? Because that 30-minute on the left resistance could be the new support. No, too high. Max, can I have the stop loss chat, please? What do you mean? The Telegram? You do have it, probably. You should be. You should do anyway. You should be a link to join. Yeah, you should be in this chat. If not, message me on Thingy-Bob. You should be in it. You should have got a 2 links to tap. You got to just tap the 2 ones, man. Why do you wait for a wick before taking the trades? It's just with 30 minutes and hourlies, they can make quite aggressive top wicks and low wicks, and you don't really want to be caught in one. The drawdown can be quite painful. So you just want to wait for a low wick for it to just wait for that, and then when you reflip, you normally just get a driver zero drawdown, which is obviously what you want, right? You really want a zero drawdown trade. That's pretty much it.
Oh, you do get an M here. You have a nice neckline.
Yeah.
What's this? 11 pips. Interesting.
Very interesting.
Maybe make a bigger bottom wick on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
I also like how the previous 1 hour did not close above that level to the left, 173,610.
That's true.
And we also have a level 173,643. 15-minute bearish. This is something I've seen a lot. You see the 5-minute, how the wicks are like, you get a bottom wick, then you get another wick, and they're like going up. That most of the times that shows that we then end up pushing up. I don't know why, but I see that a lot.
Why just reject, you know?
It just like respecting the previous one, each single candle.
Yeah. We'll see. Which stops to be above the right shoulder? Yeah, it should be above like there, 700, like those wicks.
You see Ted's Instagram story?
No.
He's like, you either die a hero or you live enough to see yourself become the villain. But he's like a sick house, like you don't even see anything below it.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
I wonder how much money he made. like
no
in
idea.
his career? Do you think more than Roger?
Yes, much more probably.
Mm. He's been longer, right? He's been in the game a lot longer.
Long time. Someone said MFF is so bad, the charts have so many gaps between candle closing, the spreads are high, and it's overall choppy experience to trade MFF. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I've been told that quite a lot of times. I'm doing MFF challenge, and when I started, spreads were good, but they're fat now all of a sudden. Ooh, that's not good. That.
They definitely did that on purpose.
That's dodgy.
That's why I don't trade funded anymore, because I lost a challenge once because of spread. And even though I shouldn't have got that low to the daily risk, pissed me off, and I said, hey, I might as well just fucking listen to what Uriah just said to me and just fucking put my money in an account and then just trade that and just take my time. Because I'm not in a hurry. Like,
yeah. Wait, new month. Oh yeah, sorry. I need to change my monthly things as well.
You see how we're pushing?
Push and beat, push and beat, push and beat. Where would you entry? Still on GJ 15 minute. Has 15 just closed? Oh, just closed bullish above, you know.
Yeah, it's gonna continue up.
Yeah. The only thing is, I suppose, is you've got 15 minutes left for the hourly. Oh, well, there's the push. There's no low wick again. So nice. Stop loss would have been 11 pips. Yeah, it's okay, but it's an area that I've just been looking for sell, so I'm just gonna wait on over here. Also, I mean, you know, we are coming towards the 4-hour resistances and stuff, and I kind of wanted to get in much earlier, right? 6:30 is where I wanted to. Getting up at like 7:30 for buys when we're right at this high is not really what I want to do, to be honest.
But I've just noticed it's fucking almost 9 a.m. here. Thought it was 8.
Yeah, I started an hour late. I'm glad I did though. There was fuck all trades before.
Did you drink coffee already?
No. I actually don't feel too tired, to be fair. Not as bad as I did all week.
If you get 6, did you know if you get 6 hours, if you sleep 3, 6, or 9, you wake up a lot more refreshed than if you slept 10, 4, and 5.
Really?
You sleep in cycles, so every 3 hours you're the most awake. So it's easier to get up. So if you ever have to choose how much you're gonna sleep 6 or 3.
Yeah, that's why I always liked FTMO, because it has its own little liquidity. Performance now that M looks better, yeah, I agree, but I agree. Max, what do you think about Psy trade? I have no idea who that is. Or what that is. No idea, boy. Yeah, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up.
How come yesterday was so hot and now it's fucking cold again?
Really?
Yeah. What temperature is there now? We had like 23 degrees yesterday.
Let's see. 23. Ooh. It's 11 right now. Yeah.
Oh my god, next week 27 degrees.
Ooh. Oh my god.
That is hot.
What country is that?
The Netherlands.
Oh.
The Netherlands. The Netherlands.
Oh my fucking god! I have community service next week as well. It's gonna be 27 degrees.
It's 19 now here. Oof. Next week will be 27, 30. Damn, 27. You guys are getting up in them numbers now, eh? If you're on the GJ buys here, I'd go break even now. You got 7 pips in profit, coming towards, you know, higher time frame resistance. Rejections could be there, but I mean, in terms of actual structure, yeah, I mean, 950 hopefully you can get before this London open starts. We in Barcelona? Yeah. Did you see Messi go see Coldplay in Barcelona a couple days ago? Yeah, and yeah. Everyone was like, Messi!
Would you like to be that famous?
No. No way, Jose.
Seems stressful, man. Like you can't go to a rave and fucking be gone out of your mind without getting filmed.
Yeah.
Do some stupid shit because you'll lose your contract.
You just can't do anything. You can't even go to the... It's not even that. It's not like being silly. It's just like you get fucking mauled. Imagine Messi just walks in your fucking nearby Tesco or something. Like, what the fuck? Messi's
I remember seeing when Ronaldo moved to the UK again that he walked like for a little or something.
Yeah.
Probably worth more than the whole company.
Nice little pushes with GJ there, man.
Yeah. When I see those I see that a lot on the 5 minute. The like keeps respecting it. It's like volume building up.
Then it just gives a nice little push. Yeah. Potentially a W on gold. Yeah, I mean we're at support. Are we? Yeah, we are here on the 15 and the 30. So yeah, potentially, you know, got a nice little W. Can't even walk at the beach. Yeah, man. You couldn't do too much. You couldn't live anywhere. Like you couldn't. It would be painful, man. I think people forget that. Like just this normal stuff you want to do, like you just couldn't do it. Which would be impossible. It would be painful to do it, which is pretty saddening, man. Right, 2 minutes. Barcelona and Madrid are really expensive to live in because the Airbnb and tourist industry. Yeah, that's true. Barcelona. I think for me, like, Barcelona doesn't interest me in the slightest, and the main reason is it'll be hot, right? And I don't want to be in a city a city when it's hot. I want to be on the beach, bro.
Bro, Barcelona's only good for nightlife. It's fucking so hot.
Yeah, like proper in the city hot, like that'll be rough. I'll be knackered.
Yeah, I don't need that shit, man.
100%. 100%.
What's this?
So yeah, I mean, right now, obviously the buys worked out over here in GJ, which is good. Coming towards this London Open. Well, this is good. This is gonna be another low down. But yeah, I think that maybe the closure there on the 15 was okay.
Yeah, I was thinking about taking it though.
Yeah, but it just pushed straight away with no bottom wick, and made one and it started to push again.
I also have to go to work, man. Fuck's sake. I don't need my mic.
Yes, I work with 2 brokers, and since April gold spread is high. Ooh, that sucks, man. Just to show you icy markets over here. Look at that shit. 1 pip spreads. Not even a pip spread on GJ, man. The best spreads in the game, boy. I've never had any issues with like an increased amount of spreads just for any reason. They're always low, man. That's why you pay for them. Yeah, Krim lives in there. So yeah, I mean, this is fucking GJ, man. First initial push here was not bad. A little bit of rejection. This candle closed bullish 700. Could have taken off the rip. Stop loss off the rip. Double X squad. Yeah, man. Icy Markets is the legendary broker. Yeah, it is. It's good stuff. So yeah, come back up to these highs now. Securing profits before 8 o'clock is, is probably reasonable, especially how we've made. I mean, if you got in there, your stop loss is like 11 pips. You're already up like 14. Yeah. Not bad at all. This zone below isn't actually that bad. I mean, yeah, there's a little support here, but basically when we get below this level, we actually push quite nicely, Can you see on the 5-minute? When we push below, we push strong down to 55. Push strong down to 58, strong down to 55. It's quite a decent zone below. So depending on this closure, we may get a closure something similar to this one here, and then to continue back down and fill that zone. Would be nice if it got there. Have you ever used vapes? Yes, but not anymore, really. Gold sells for 3 AM volume pushes setting up nicely. The gold sells, yeah. If they get a closure below that little support, I think it could be realistic. My favorite song last night is probably, I don't know, they're all good, man. They've got some bangers, man. And they just sell out everywhere they go. It's just ridiculous. I wonder if they had any Instagram stories. I need to follow them on Instagram. I was awake in a while. Yeah, I was in Barcelona. That's sick. Wow. Barcelona. Oh my god, that was loud. Oh yeah, he was gonna have a supporting actor on, which is like a... What was his name? I forgot actually. Wow, look at this. Wow, they were there early. I was like standing there. Ah, that's the little kids playing. What the fuck is that? Look at all the tech, man. It was run so well, bro. Like, everything was just seamless. It's mad. So 8 o'clock has came. A little bit of a bearish candle there. Goldie retraced up. Yeah, the 5 minutes are looking a little bit choppy on Goldie at this time, so. Gold breakdown, please. Goldie is in a zone. I think potentially sells below 1960.7 could be realistic when it closes back below. To fill that zone below, so I'm gonna potentially look for that. Just looking at the lower time frames, it looks pretty nice. Hello here. Some high impact news in an hour. Oh yeah, we didn't actually check news. Just take a look. Wow, look at all this news, man. A lot of neuro news, a lot of news. Manufacturing at 9:30. We've actually got ADP and unemployment today as well. Good morning, aloha, my man.
Good. You guys fighting GJ?
Well, I wanted the buys above. It would have got us break even, but yeah, the next closure there was not bad, to be honest with you. But it's just so... If you're not ready to click when it closes, man, the move's gone.
GJ is faster than my finger.
Yeah, that shit just went away, man. Especially that next closure with the 5 minutes. Look good.
Oh, gold, the same shit as yesterday.
Yeah. How did that hourly close? Yeah. Had a little bit of a retracement there, looking like it's going to continue down. And I think, yeah, that zone below is pretty nice. Pushing already quite hard.
Gold, if you see the day candle, he go down.
Mm-hmm. So this is already just broken the 30-minute low, the hourly low. How much would your stops be in the previous 30-minute? 20 pips. A little bit of an impulsive one, but I think with the volume here, you could be all right.
But he's in this area for a while, no?
Yeah. I need it below 52 would be so nice. 52 would be great. Oh, look at GJ.
Oh my god.
Can go on the hourly for 1958. Yeah.
26 pip. GJ.
For what? For what though?
For stop loss.
What are you taking?
I'm looking. I don't like it.
For what though? A buy or
For
sell?
buy it. For buy it.
Low wick and flip. I don't like buying GJ that high up, to be honest. If I wanted to take a buy here, I would have got in.
Because he never go to the sky, you know? You stay up there. This is the truth.
There's also a little bit of resistance there, which is that news that's just tapped into as well.
Good, DJ.
4 res for GJ is strong, yeah. You're in GJ sells? Oof, how did you get in? The volume just kicking in.
Good, DJ.
Max, a W on gold? There ain't no W right now. If the sells we buying. EJM, I think there's a lot of news on EJ today. Yeah. 8:15, some Spanish news later on, so. Also, I haven't really backed into the M's on EJ yet at all.
How's your party yesterday?
Very fun. Very, very fun.
Yeah?
Great fun, man. Yeah. It's class.
Happy for you, buddy.
It's beautiful. You taking these cells for what?
He's looking like a baby.
Yeah. I mean, Goldie showed that obviously 30-minute break in previous low is a good sign, especially with this volume. The 5 minutes actually just closed below my zone. Which is great. $19.60. There's just no closure. That's the only thing. But yeah, I mean, with a 5 minute confluence as well. Where would you go break even? Yeah, maybe 1957.8 would be the first kind of target as well. Let's take a look at how your stops would have been. Yeah, like 20 pips, not bad. If for me, if I'm finding it hard to find, you know, where I'd want to get in and stuff, then it's best to just leave it. You know? Do you usually go break even when you have like 10 pips profit? No. I go break even when I'm coming towards half my stop. So if my stop's 30 pips, I'll go break even around like 15. Yeah, it's normally how I do it. So there's GJ over here, just reflipped. Well, about to reflip with that one candle there. Holy shit. Stop loss below the previous would be 20. Your gain would only be 15. To the next res, that's the only issue. Your R to R's maybe a little bit off with these buys. That is your only issue. Not Goldie. And anyway, if you took these gold sells, you know, if you maybe got the break of the lows or anywhere that's a bit impulsive in terms of like no closures, it's good, you know, getting the drive. Just go break even though once you get into some profit, you know. Max, where did you get in on gold? I got in 1960.4. I didn't have time to do it, but it's probably gonna get break even anyway, so not really asked. I couldn't have it set up, man. That's the thing, like, it's hard to explain and tell people to get into a point where it's just breaking. You're like, I could just, you know, I feel in terms of breaking a low, especially with a doji. I quite like dojis. I think recently we've been seeing a lot of the times where there is a doji. If you can break the low of the doji, you get a nice drive. So I was just playing with that. Signal chat broken again. Fuck off. My gold sell is 1961. Yeah. Gold is more clean on the sell side. Yeah, I mean, I think in terms of the, if you look at the 5, every single time we push below here, we get to at least 1957.9. So that green line is probably where you want to take it off. I feel people getting salty. Well, I haven't closed anything yet. So. I was discussing it, but it's not normally one of our setups though. It's just a 5-minute closure below. Really, that's what it's based off. Really, 5-minute closure below. The zone below is clean in terms of lower time frames. On the 30-minute and the 15 is meant to, yeah, I mean, maybe there 1958. Max 14 pips in gold, call it a session. Very nice, well done. But yeah, I would say, you know, with those things of like, oh, call it a session, should you call it a session? Well, it's dependent on how you trade, but you need to look in like from your previous trades. A lot of the time, which is what I think is quite interesting, is people will, and even me, like I'm kind of a sucker for this as well, but people will take a winning trade and go, right, that's me, done for the day. This is amazing. I'm gonna go and enjoy my day, right? And actually, those days where you closed a good trade were actually good opportunities in them days. And then when you take a losing trade on a bad day, you then want to try and get another winning trade to win it back, and you're actually in a day that really isn't needed for that. So I think you got to change your mindset of trading, right? Trade when it's good, when the price action's good, when the volume's good, trade. But when you are, you know, when you took a losing trade or maybe price action's a little bit, you know, a little bit bad, then just leave it alone and come back the next day. You know? Closed all 20 pips done for the day. Nice, well done.
Looking Goldie. Goldie.
Goldie, Goldie. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Where's GJ doing right now? Yeah, GJ not really doing too much. And there we go. There's Goldie for you.
We're waiting for 52 to sell, correct?
For me, yeah. 52 would be the next zone. I asked if you're gonna sell, but at the time I wasn't. It was, I think I wasn't in it yet. It's not one of our setups, so I can happily take my own trade if I want to, but it's not really a setup there. The only thing I was looking at is the 30-minute break of the low with volume in London session with a 5-minute closure below. Yeah, that's all the basis was with volume. There's nothing much I can do with that. Yeah, man, I'm always conservative with my capital. If I lose it, I call it a day because I love my capital, to be fair. Yeah, fair. Exactly, man. I think more people, if they just lost it, if they take a losing trade and then just leave the day, they'll be better off than looking for more.
I see many people in the chat that sometimes take a loss, but it's over trade, you know. Guy want to stay trading all day.
Yes, sir. Oh yes.
Sometimes I don't make profit. I don't trade. I just leave metal trade, leave everything. Don't check more. You know, tomorrow is a new day.
Yes, sir. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. I don't know. What? Meow, meow, meow. This GJ still trying to flip. Still trying to flip. But yeah, the RTR is a little bit off in that area.
You drink a coffee already, bro?
No.
Max?
Not yet, nope. No, no, no. The hardest part is to go back the next day. I guess when a trader learns to stop trading, come back the next day. This is when he starts to make money. Yeah, just... I think the main thing is coming back, you know, fresh the next day and not really caring. Like, for example, I mean, the last 2 days, you know, we took a losing trade, then we took a winning trade, but I didn't think about trying to make the money back, you know, I just took the trade when it was there. That's all it was.
I see someone yesterday in the chat, he just sent a picture all red.
Wait, what?
What did I tell you about the stop loss? Stop loss. And what did you do? I forgot.
I saw that. Ooh, Mr. Bry.
Oh, yeah.
Gold woman.
Oh,
Kiko was looking for the gold as well. Yeah, I mean it's all right. I mean, I'm just seeing like recently because the zones are so choppy. There's no closures,
Yeah.
right?
You never know what's happened in this zone. You know,
Right.
if you wanna go back right now, it's possible.
Yeah. In terms of though, for me, the issue is that if you're waiting for a 15 and 30-minute closure, you just have to wait so long, and the move's already done. So yeah, I mean, it's looking like now. I mean, for example, we knew on the 5-minute that this zone below is good. So it's more the fact of the 5-minute closure with confidence of 30-minute break at the low. That's what it was about. M on GJ. Oh fuck. Yep. So yeah, the gold. Harry, that gold signal I was literally writing whilst you were asking me, so I wasn't really focusing on your question. I had the gold signal was writing, and then it obviously went. It's one of them things, my man. So yeah, make sure to lock in now, guys. We've got a potential M formation here. Rejected these highs twice now, which is interesting. $173, $830 would be the stop. $173, $300 we discussed before. 173 flat. Beautiful. Where's my GJ here? Very nice. So it's going to close below the wick and the neckline, so I'm just going to get on the retest of the wick. So it'll be, you know, around like 6:30. Need to stretch, man. Need to do some yoga, boy. Be easy on Max. You can't stream, enter trades, and send signals at the same time. Yeah, it's sometimes hard, man. I was writing the signal whilst I obviously took the trade. I was writing the signal, and then I obviously just the last minute it just fucking pushes. It's annoying. So yeah, it's gonna be like around here. To be honest with you, when it makes a top wick, I'm just gonna get in. To be honest with you, but I just hope it's around the 6:30 area. You know. Let's get rid of all this.
What is the stop loss, Max?
It'll be 8:30. 178, 8:30.
173, 830.
Yeah.
Okay, the top of the candle.
Yeah.
I mean, you enter.
I'm gonna enter when this next candle opens, when it comes up here. So
50 minutes. 5.
So right now, obviously, it's pushing up over here. So I'm gonna take an entry now. I've just taken one. Already taken one entry. I got in on that little push up. I want to be in this trade. I don't want to lose this trade. I don't want to miss this trade. So I'm already in. Okay. My entry was a little bit high, a little bit low there. I like 600. If you want to be a bit more reserved, then wait for the retest of the wick there, which is like 6:30, which I've already discussed. That's where the signal is. And yeah, hopefully we can continue down to, you know, 300. That would be great. So yeah, target back down to this low 300, then obviously furthermore maybe 173. Boom, boom, boom. So this is coming from a higher time frame, you know, 4-hour res rejecting, hourly time frame rejecting, strong daily rejection as well. So it's definitely at a resistance, to say the least. That 4 wick has no lower wick. 4-hour candle has no lower wick. Extra confirmation. Yeah.
TP, what is the first TP, Max?
Around 300 here. Yeah. Once you start pushing back down to like 320, I'd say.
73, 300, no?
Yeah, like 320. Yeah, 173, 320. Yeah.
See.
Doom, 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 doom. Volume coming in. Yeah, looks good, man. I mean, let's take a look at GG. Goldie as well. Goldie continued. Very nice. On the 5-minute time frame. When break even, yeah, we'll see. Maybe towards like 500 level. Yeah, I'm not really too asked at the moment for break even. It's got a little bit of support there, which we've got to get past. So once we maybe tap into those lows potentially, but for the most part, it's a very nice it's a great stop right at the high as well. So I don't really want to rush into go and break even yet.
Come on, GJ.
Yeah, it's just got a bit of support there on the 5 that it's just tapped into. It still may have to go retest this level here. You know? Still got a while. Are you imagining any risk if the fire breaks its own wick? No. Nice, Daniel, you waited. Just a question, how would you manage risk on M's and W's? The only way you kind of manage risk is if you range on the neckline for a long time. Yeah, that's normally when we do that. When it kind of ranges on the neckline for a while. Owly hasn't broken previous low yet. Yeah. Hasn't yet. There's a huge 1 minute push up there. But why? Well, it needs to go retest the neckline. The reason why I got in so early is because how many M's have I missed recently? Like fucking 4 of them. So I'd rather be in than not, to be honest. That means I have to get a little bit of a worse entry, then that's fair. Shocked though that I get in the first trade that makes a top wick. But anyway. Well, I'm gonna go take a piss. Hopefully I come back to 300% gain. Oh no, Tommy, man. And the good thing is, you know, the stop loss above the high has to break all of these highs to get to there, so it's a long way away, you know.
Enter is not too good. I take 600. It's okay.
This is where I get confused with all the noise from trying to learn trading. If gold is dropping, shouldn't GJ be rising? No. They sometimes correlate, but they sometimes also don't. So I wouldn't get worked up on that. Looking like we're getting a little bit of drawdown over here from the bullish buys. Take a look on the 3 minute and see if there is anything. Yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of support there, but there wasn't much time to go break even yet. I blinked and it's already June. What the fuck? Oh my god, so true, man. The months just go so quick. It just flies, bro. Just flies. I think you're gonna close celery, kinda. It's got a minute left. I feel old. It's my birthday month though, man. 23. Oh, 23, man.
Man, I make 33 this month.
33.
I feel like I feel it's so bad, bro.
Mate, just be grateful that you got to 33. Some people don't.
Yeah, but yesterday I take a shower and say, fuck, I'm like 33 this month. What do you wanna do? I say to me, I wanna make 32 again.
You wanna do it all over again?
Hey Max,
Hello, bro.
how do I change the output of Zoom so I can, because I have my AirPods in, but it's playing from my speakers and not.
Oh, I have no idea. It's probably gonna be in settings somewhere. That's all I can say.
That's I got that far.
Yeah, I don't know. Press the mic arrow, or Andrea's saying press the mic arrow and change it. The mic arrow.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
So we have just retested, rejected, which is nice, and that's nice in the 3. 5 minutes coming back down. But there's so many of these M's and W's in the month that for me I don't care. Like if you take one L here, great. The last 4, 5, 6 M's and W's are taken, all ran like 80 pips as well for runners. So even my runners will pay for this loser if this loses. But I mean, right now, is there anything that you can do? Well, not really. The 15 and the 30 have just opened. Obviously, my stop loss is above the previous 30-minute candle, so that's good. And yeah, I'm gonna quickly go refill my agua.
Max, did you see what happened to my gold? Just went without me.
Shit just flew, eh? Shit just flew, dog.
The analysis was good though. That's what it matters to me. As long as my analysis is good.
100%, bro. 100%. Didn't take this GGM. High time for 2 bullish for me. That's fair, Salam. See, using your own initiative, own analysis. You're like, nah, I'm not happy with it. Beautiful.
The only reason I also don't like is due to the 1 hour closure. That put me off.
Yeah.
It can work out though, to be honest.
For me, there's not much thinking in it. I'm at a res. I've got an M. I'm just taking it. Like, I'm not asked if it wins or losses. I just know I got to take every single one that's at a res, man. Yeah, it's overall bullish. It's fair. But I think the gain can be quite aggressive here because obviously we're at a high. If we reject this high, we can make quite big progress. We can maybe make an extra 4-hour low, because the 4-hour low didn't really get me much. So I think the zone below is very nice for me, considering the stop's only 20 pips. Spam the M's. Yeah, it was just that 3-minute candle. It was actually just a 1-minute candle. Well, it ripped.
Fucking God. Oh.
It's still pumping. It's still pumping down.
Fucking knew it as well.
50-minute wick fill's also on max. Yeah. I don't think this helping how Goldie is nodding over here. Don't think that's helping the GJ cause. Would you please take a look at GA? You'll like the way it moves. GA, yeah. Do we look at GA back in the day? Might have.
Gradually used to trade you.
GA, I think we did. I think we did do GA. So Goldie next target has been hit there, 1955 coming towards some structure there. On the hourly as well. Yeah, this is quite a big, on gold, this is a big support zone for me here. Meow. Huge levels of support. Very nice. Oh yeah, Milan was the GU, you love GUA. GU. Looking for a W on gold? Yeah, later on, eh? Got some nice untested areas as well. A W would be horny. Looks like volume's kind of slowed down here. It's still 8:30 though. It's
Not
late.
moving.
Yeah, it's 500 needs to break below those wicks. Hey, hey Max, did
Good now.
gold close above, rejecting the resistance? 1 second, I'll do this chat in a second. Any potential to manage risk on this? Or are we still ranging? It hasn't ranged enough yet for me to go to want to go break to like close a break even here yet. No, I think it's still okay.
It's looking good. Looking good, no?
Yeah, 30-minute close bearish, top wick flip, wick fill to go.
Maybe the retest.
It's actually a bit of a head and shoulders now.
If it breaks the 1 hour though, it's good.
Francesco.
Hello, eh?
How
Good,
you
okay.
feeling today, bro? Good?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Just chilling, bro.
I was on gold sells. I got break even. And
Oh, really? Nice. What, in the top?
No, I got in on the 15-minute closure below Asian range.
I see some crazy guys yesterday night talked about buy some gold in the night.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
said, oh man, you guys crazy.
Fucking 8 o'clock.
Don't do it. ASEAN session just pushing down
Yeah.
all the time.
I love
this
the
is
way
some-
you say Asian.
This is something I've seen a lot before. Like when we range on gold for Asian session, we tend to choose a direction, just keep pushing, and then you have to clean candles to the left. It wasn't the nicest range in terms of clean, but you had like just bullish candles, so you just mirrored the whole move. So that was what I was looking for, but I wasn't comfortable holding my stop loss the whole time. So I just
If you have a big stop loss, it's alright.
Yeah, but it wasn't that big. It was like 15 pips.
15 or 50?
15.
Okay, yeah, it's not big.
15.
Okay. I would have been safe.
I don't like trading this area of gold because for me, he is in the medium of Lacun. Of the, you need to cross for the top or for down to see where he goes.
Yeah, it's got a lot of support around here.
Like I want to do a good trade, like 100 pips trade.
Yeah, you don't like getting in the middle. Want to get in on the low. Or the
No,
high.
up there I see 20 pips, maybe 30, but both direction. I don't wanna.
Can you go to the 30 to the left? You are in a supply zone, also in the 5-minute supply zone from the OV. Yeah. And the 30.
I take this GJ trade because I believe in Max, but I don't believe in GJ. I believe in Max. He's a good trade. But GJ, he don't like me. I don't know what I insist.
Yeah, the only thing I don't like about it is just how bullish the previous 1 hour was. But if this 5 minutes flips, then you're gonna retest the lows, right? So.
It's just, yeah, it's just leveling up. It's still
It's a sticky one still.
for me on the 5-minute time frame. It's still respecting this neckline. Really, it's just these little pull-ups like this and what's happening right now. It's like, oh come on, she needs to get a little bit further below.
He moving like a bitch right now, bro.
Yeah, but the thing is though, when it goes, it'll go. It's just which way. I mean, we've got a lot of confidence. We're at resistance. He has to break 30-minute highs to touch me, to tap me out. So the stop loss is very, very nice. And the zone below, man, it's like 20 pips this low here. So yeah, it could be nice.
Yeah, he moving around. Next candle, he go down.
Feel you, Aloy.
What's happening? What's happening?
So obviously the 15 is going to close in 3 minutes time. Probably going to close bullish. It's chilling. It's just chilling. You want to sell, but King is in a buy. Let's see he was the winner. Yeah, I've seen King's in a buy. Shout out King, man, he's a G. I like him. I was on a stream like a couple of days ago and he was like, and GJ is telling me I need to go and smoke a joint. I love it. Love it, man. He just vibes, bro.
But when GJ send you this message?
Yeah.
Oh. Listen to my
Hello, you don't like me, Miss GJ. So.
Elio hates GJ.
No, GJ fucked me for 15 minutes already. You know? He just kick my balls. Say, yeah, you there. You there. You know? Now I start.
That's good though.
Now the beach ask me if he want a glass of water. You know? You want a glass of water? You know? Oh my God.
Do you want some juice?
I just drink sparkle water.
It's gonna give you water, then it's gonna rip back up 700 again.
Yeah. Look now. Now he wanna give me some candles. Liking candles, man. Cheap beach. It's a cheap bitch. Fuck me like a expensive bitch.
I'm gonna steal that from you, you know.
Yeah, of course, no, like a vampire.
GJ ask if I need a glass of water. When it
Yeah.
pulls down. Ah.
Oh my god.
Did you change stops, Maxi? Nah, it's just above this wiki. Yes. My stop loss on IC is 830.
Ok? Vamos vestir a roupinha, tá? Vamos vestir a roupinha.
So 50-minute close, yeah, weak bullish. All right. See how the 30 closes here. 14 minutes left. If we survive for 14 minutes, yeah, that's true. That is true. Let's take a look at Goldie. Yeah, Goldie's still pumping down over here. Probably not helping my GJ trade right here. Goldie, come on, wick back up a little bit, boy. It's had quite a big move, eh? It's moved down like 90 pips. Huge move.
This is Raja's trades as well.
You are?
Fuck's sake, if I wasn't, this is what Raja always takes as well. If I wasn't fucking driving, bro, this 30-minute salary, this was so
yeah,
nice.
I know. I took
Yeah,
that one.
yeah.
I didn't fucking call it because it was writing a signal. It's too.
You took it.
Yeah, I took it. I
Why
was
did you
literally
take it
writing
to?
the signal whilst I was clicking enter. It's so hard with stuff like that, especially like just getting in the brake at the low.
It's fucking driving, man. It is what it is.
Eddie is what it is. Exactly.
What's nice is that you had the so you see that wick to the left, so we can check the same part, but as soon as we break that level again, you know we're gonna fucking drop.
Yeah, if you look at the 5-minute, it was good, bro. Look at the 5 closure.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking at. 5 closure, and then all here is just clean all the way down.
Where did you take it to?
I closed quite early because I felt bad because no one else is in it, so I just closed it here.
Wow, you're such a good person.
Even though I shouldn't give a fuck.
You should, or you should just not tell him.
Well, Dante asked, and I can't lie. Was really early for me. I took it. Nice, Salam. I just got the break of the low here, impulsed it. Giving signals, scalp and gold is hard. Yeah, you gotta be. Don does it quite well as well, and he still makes mistakes. It is hard work. I miss more than like screw them up. It's just missing them.
If Brian is taking this buy now of gold, I'll be impressed because you have like no room. But I do feel like he is.
When Max is staring to the left, you know he's in it.
I like the idea. Brian taking buy right now.
Why are you guys looking for buys yet? Are you waiting for a W?
I like the idea that he go back now. It's 55.
It's at a major level of support, so yeah, fuck it. Buy away there. Looking at your stop losses below. You'll get something out of it, hopefully.
If he lose 20 pips. Better than the GJ. GJ fucked me right now. 15 pips.
Oh, fuck off. Gold's still pushing, man. It doesn't help my GJ. Like, GJ's gotta wait for this gold to retrace.
That's what I want on gold. I want gold to push deeper and then create a wick and then start creating a range.
No, GJ is a blow job time.
Still hovering around the neckline, man. It's not bad. It's just not bad, eh? This GJ trade was not the one. Well, it hasn't finished yet. I'm in 7 pips drawdown, so it's not like I'm fucking down 50 million pips. It's just hovering. 10 minutes left of this 30. Yeah, the price action is pretty shit now. So that's the one thing that is annoying in terms of trades like this. You know, you want to get in, you want to, you know, you look at the candles before, you had some good strong candles, and then you just get a load of small candles. But you know, can you do much about that? No. Like, you just got to stay with the fact that you're at the neckline right now. You have stop losses above resistance. You know, it's still okay. It's just hovering right now. Maybe this is your longest trade in terms of time and drawdown. No, this is nowhere near. What time have you started this trade? We started getting in this trade like 8:20. I've only been in it for half an hour. I've been in trade for like an hour. Bro, GJ making another M. Yeah, I see here, little tiny one. Get past fucking 6:20, man, please. Push, boy. Obviously, the 30-minute time frame right now, it's still bearish. The last one's still bearish. There's still, you know, it's still looking good. It's got a nice wick to fill as well. So I'm happy, you know. I don't feel any emotion in this. I'm just trading, you know. I'm just taking the trade that I've, you know, been taking for the past month. That's made me 10% last month. So I ain't est. And when you have that, once you have that clarity, and also once you've taken a lot of winners on it, then you don't give a shit, right? If this hits my losing trade, oh no, I lose 1%, even though it's yielded me 10% this last month. So it's just one of those things. If you don't like it, you know, the drawdown, then yeah, I mean, you know, you got to find a method with zero drawdown. That's, you know. But for the most part,
You don't like drawdown.
if you're trading,
Trading's not gonna be fun.
yeah, exactly. You need to be comfortable in drawdown and just get on with it, boy.
And at the end,
Now this M doesn't need no fucking retest. Push. Just push, you cunt.
the other one out of this, right? It's important.
People are always saying whenever we are in a bit of drawdown, they start saying, "Oh, this is not the trade. I don't like the idea."
Got some second.
But it's easy to say that you don't like the idea if you're in drawdown, right? It's like, really, you don't like being in drawdown, really? For me, this is still fine. It's
Take
still
1-0 drawdown. Impulse entry. Oh, I love this trade. This is my favorite setup.
Yeah.
Always plays out.
And the more you take these M's and W's, man, the less you really give a fuck about them, because they yield so much.
Thing is, it's just barcoding at the moment.
Yeah. Fuck, I'm hungry. Mini W on gold. Ooh. I just need this gold to break these highs, and this G is going to send it west. Yes, push Goldie. It's very bearish, that's your only thing. But yeah. We must take this M on GG. That's forming as well. Max, we gotta take them all. Take all the M's, boy.
Max, would you ever consider to add like a second position? For example, if we formed another entry in the trade that you are currently in?
Yeah, but not in this case. Just for the fact the price action is not good anymore. Yeah, I'm in a trade and the price action isn't the nicest now, so I wouldn't want to add my positions on this one. But yeah, I mean, if there was an example where maybe I got in maybe a little bit too early and then we're getting the actual retest and everything's still looking good, then yeah, I would probably take a second entry if I was comfortable with it and I had a lot of structure with it. Yeah. But it's mainly the price action that you need. You know, if you've got good strong candles with no wicks and very obvious M, then yeah, you can sometimes double risk from the retest. Sometimes you can get it then back on the flip. You know, depending on what you fancy. Yeah. Oh yes, oh yes. And any noob advice would be greatly appreciated. Stick to one pair first of all. Stick to one pair, just lock in on one pair. And just watch and see how price moves on a daily basis. I would actually, to be honest with you, obviously look at the higher time frames, go through that on a sim, but basically the 5 kind of shows everything now. I think the 5 is very easy to understand, you know. When it breaks above zones, why does it go retest, where does it go retest, why does some levels, you know, tap zones and then reject, you know. For example, this one here, this candle before the push, price lives to go tap it and then continue, happens all the time. So yeah, just using that extra confidence with stuff like that is the best, I'd say.
Oh, what's up, Max?
What's up, man? What's up?
What's up?
These candles. 50-minute time frames just broke the previous low, which is good. A good sign.
Looking better, looking better.
It's just the volume, bro. The volume is ass here. Oh shit, as well. Oh, 1 second. We do have news, don't we? 9:30.
Oh, you wanna kick my balls, bro.
This is closing in an hour, and the hourly's gonna close very shortly. Yeah, there's news happening in 30 minutes time, which is a bit annoying, to be honest with you. Mainly for the fact...
Break even.
Well, it depends where you got in, but
I think
yeah.
maybe when he's safe, maybe I jumping out.
So the only thing, I mean, yeah, we've got a bit of news. The good thing is that it's mortgage approvals. And you know, other things. It's not the biggest news. That's okay. Yeah, it's grand. That's grand. Hopefully we'll be done by then anyway. Mortgages have gone down? Really? I saw a thing about how bad it was at the moment. Still. Interesting. Mortgages have gone down? That's good then. Oh, as in like buying? Oh, the amount of people taking them out. Well, yeah, obviously. Yeah, I mean, you know, if your interest rate on your mortgage is fucking 6%, you ain't what you might want to rent for a little bit longer because you're just giving all it to the bank, you know. Yeah, it's interesting. Oh, motherfucker.
Oh, look at she. How is she looking?
She's looking alright. Okay.
Hatuna Matata.
Hatura Matata. What a wonderful day. What a tune, what a tune.
You know, the Lion King is the first movie that I see in the cinema.
Really? Ever?
I have like a 5 years old when I got to see.
This chat looks like a kid's care at this point. Man, everyone's stressing. We just had another 30-minute bearish closure. The hourly's just closed strongly bearish as well.
Hey Max, you know what I like the gold do? I like the gold do the same day he do the day number 31. 30.
1 second, my man. So, obviously right now, yeah, we've had some closures. The 50 minutes closed bearish. The 30-minute candles just closed bearish, which is okay. Just making a top wick. So hopefully, you know, I don't really want to be in this with the news, which is in 30 minutes time. So I'm going to be waiting a little bit longer. And then hopefully when we get back down to these lows, like 5, 1, 4, whatever, I'm going to go break even, hopefully. Okay. Okay, so just broke hourly low, 30-minute low, and 15-minute low. So that's good. That's good for us, obviously. Now we're coming towards some traffic here, a little bit of support. I'm going to go stop loss to break even here. I'm up around about 8-9 pips. Okay, now if this wants to continue, that is great. If it doesn't want to continue, I am not in this trade no more, and I don't need to be, because the price action is getting a little bit not for my liking, and also for the fact that there is news coming at 9:30, and I don't want to take the drawdown. Okay, now do I think this is going to win? No, I think I'm going to get a break even here. Why? Because the price action is garbage. Okay, what I mean by that is you get a lot of wicks pushing and then it retraces up and you're like, oh, should I hold because it just launched? For me, stop loss to break even, risk-free trade. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, I don't give a shit. What's the break-even price? My break-even price is 591 on IC.
For this, I take this trade because I believe in Max.
Thank you, brother.
You know, guys, the day 31 of like of gold. He doing the graphic. He doing like a something
Similar,
like he wants right now.
I see you. I see. Looking like the volume's kicking in now. Up like 12 pips with a 20 pip stop.
I have only. I have.
Me too, bro. Everyone in the chat is saying, "Oh, I closed early. Now it's nothing." Yeah. Right.
Just leave open, Max.
Well, there is news, so I kind of want to get my profits and dip, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at the 15, the 30. Yeah, we're actually at hourly retest. I think I'm gonna close some here.
Really, you close full?
1 second. Wait for one more push, and then because if you look at the hourly's retest. Yeah, I'm gonna close some here, guys. Closing 80%. Actually, I'm just gonna close full. Fuck it. Beautiful stuff.
Okay, I close full.
I think you're good until 17327.
Thank you, Max. Extra 0.25.
Nice, brother.
Yeah, just growing.
Great trade.
So yeah, there's a.
Now I wanna take a buy gold, guys.
So yeah, the reason why, guys, in the chat, make sure to like the stream as well. Make sure to put some dubs in the chat if you guys took that trade. And as I say again, we didn't get emotional. We are vibing, we are chilling, and it played off.
Traders.
Okay, so exactly what we do every single morning. Don't get emotional about it. The M's and W's are there for a reason. We're getting in at such a nice price. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What up, guys? This morning we're on stream right now. 238 people just caught a beautiful, beautiful trade over here with us. And just close at the 1 hour resistance here because there is news coming on GJ, but close like 15 pips. Amazing stuff.
This guy, the ghost. Funny.
Yeah, brilliant. So road to wash. Yeah, don't worry, man. I mean, also road to wash. It sounds like you're probably quite new. Don't worry about it, man. It'll come. If you're getting a bit emotional with like entering and worried about drawdown and closing maybe a little bit early, then just decrease your losses, your lot sizes.
Looking gold, bro, Max. Looking. Let's jump in that one. Hey, wanna?
I'm not taking this.
In the medium of nowhere.
Well, it's at support. To be fair, you need a W.
Yeah, I know. I like it. All the time that he go up there, he jumping back.
This is not for me. This is not a nice W. This is kind of a choppier one.
This is a W with a M together. She wanna feeling a little bit nervous today in the morning, just jumping right now and go. Yeah,
mate, you already got nervous today, Hey. You were getting you had to ask GJ for some water. GJ asked me.
Hey, man, no, I really have my adrenaline. And I wanna tell you the truth. My magic, he freaked out again, GJ. I'm taking by phone. I take by my phone. But my magic is ready for gold. He want to take along. I think so.
And that's the whole thing of just being with your own analysis. I know King Abe was in a buy, and he's a great trader, but does that swing my bias? No. Am I gonna close because someone else is in a buy? No. I've done my analysis, man. The higher time frames were at resistance. I had an M formation. I had a good zone to come down below when we started pushing, and that's what I did. I closed full, mainly for the fact that we coming towards news and we actually just tapped the hourly. So if you look here in the hourly, there was hourly resistance here. So when you come back to those levels, that's the levels that price can react. And I was up 15 pips, so I made a good amount there. If we go to the journal now, we just add this on. This is 820 on the first M formation of the month. Hopefully many more to come. Well, not hopefully, there is going to be, especially in the recent times. There's been so many. Stop loss was 20 pips on the dot. Oh, well, actually I got in a little bit later though, so I got in like 20. Let me just do this on the 5. Yeah, so there's 22 pips off.
the best stream of Forex trading in the town. Stop loss, mate. Subscribe.
Subscribe. That's right. That's right. Make sure you like the stream, guys. We'll do a little giveaway if you want one.
Put some likes in YouTube too.
Yeah, boy. Oh, fuck, spam.
I'm going to like the live stream I forward today.
So yeah, not a big gain, but like nearly 1%. That's okay with commissions. Put it at 0.9.
How much you make? 1%?
Nah, like maybe with 0.95 with commissions. Probably like 0.9.
How much you take per trade, Max?
1.4.
1.4. Wow, it's expensive, big.
Yeah, 1.4 found.
You know, I still focus in my strategy and take a little and just duplicate the little 2 times. And I think it would be great for 1 week and a half.
Sure, man.
So right now I'm just trading, 2 weeks. 2 weeks, 4%.
4%, 2 weeks. Amazing.
Yeah, that is very good, man. It's a 4,000.
I actually think, in terms of the members in the group, I think you're all doing really, really well. Especially because we're all talking in the chat, all bouncing ideas off each other. You know, it's good, man. It's a good community. Have people been in any other people's like chats, like mentorship chats? What's the difference like? Are people like, you know, as nice in here? You don't really.
I just think that couple ones just overtrade, you know, all the time try to hunt some trades and different times at o'clock times, you know, some weird times. So man, you don't want to trade 4 o'clock afternoon.
Yeah.
I was in IM Academy before I joined this.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Shit, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Wild.
They just keep on saying like, oh, you need to recruit people. And like they actually like, it's mad like because they actually like brainwash you in a way. Like.
Yeah, like you gotta recruit people. Say, what? I'm not meant to be learning trading.
Oh, but you guys lucky. Looking GJ right now. He go back.
Well, I knew it ain't gonna move too much. That's why I closed.
Oh my god, looking. He fuck again.
He fuck. I generally do preach this, right? If there is candles that you're in and they're a bit choppy and they're kind of flickering, even when it pushes, don't you worry. If price action's bad, that motherfucker will come back easily. So when I got that drive, I'm closing. Yeah, I didn't get 1-to-1. Who gives a shit? I made 0.9. I would have got a break even now. So yeah, just remember that. If the price action's a bit on the bad side, or like price is just holding a level, if you do get into profit, just go break even. If it pushes, great, and then close at basically the next level, you know. Pulling that trade. I get a phone when I look at the chat. Yeah, Neiman, I know. But you need to remember that, you know, Brian, look at Brian here. Look, he's just taking another. He's just a fucking wizard, man. I choose no drawdown. Fuck off, Brian, you cunt. Brian, you need to discuss. I mean, the thing is that he does that. This is the last argument that me and Brian had with him. Oh, there. Okay, he's actually going to discuss it. Because he posts all these trades and everyone's like, how the fuck did you do that? And then he'll get bombarded with 400 messages. It's because he didn't fucking write anything underneath of this gaff. My guy just took a buy when the fucking candle closed bullish. That's all it looks like, but obviously there's a lot more to it. Max, add GJ not gold. Oh, sorry, did I put in gold? Oh, I got an idea. Time to eat is cool, but his mates are cool. What's this? Both amazing groups for sure. I'm only in Don's chat and yours. Ah, nice. Mate, Don is a G, man. I think if John, you need to give. I think people to discredit him. You need to give him a lot of love. He's been here a while. He's been vibing. You had a good morning too, that Goldie, mate. Yeah, it's been not bad. Let's take a look then, see how maybe Brian would have taken this. This is in the 5 minute. Let's take a look at the lower time frames. We're in the 15. I mean, it's at a support. Yeah, it's at a big support. Was there a reach? Was there an untested area that we've just? I mean, we've just broken below. So yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking that's mad. You saw Donald yesterday skilling with his new method like 8-9 times. Yeah, he just gets the whole move down, the whole gold move. Yeah, that's mad.
Bro, when Don will include that in the live streams, many people will be like risking full funded account. 6%.
He's so good at it though, man. His leveraging skills on his account are fucking astronomically good, man. When he
how
puts...
good GJ looking if you are inside already. Oh my god. It's a really good, nice trade, Max. Now he go down like 100 pips.
Yeah, boy. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna leave it off over here. Thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys at 12 o'clock. I may have to go for a little sleep now because I'm fucking knackered.
What time you coming back?
12.
12?
Yeah.
You wanna run? You wanna take a sauna?
I'm gonna fucking pass out. I'm knackered. I went to bed at 2. Well, maybe like
really?
half 2. Yeah, bro. I went because I was at that thing last night, wasn't I? So
you drink last night or you drive?
No, I had 2, but yeah, I was driving. But yeah, thank you so much for coming on, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Adios, amigos. Peace out. Peace out.
Bye bye.
Adios, bye. See you later.
Bye.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Hope you had a great time. Hope you took that trade as well. As I say, the M's and W's. If you actually look at the overall M's and W win rate so far this year, I don't think these have actually been updated yet. Wait, have I? Is the M formation there? Yeah, there is. The M actually should be higher than this now. I don't think this has actually got June in it. But if you look at the M formations here, I mean, in May they were 80%. Obviously we've already got another one there as well, and we actually had one in April as well. So amazing stuff. M formations actually work much better than W's. W's are still good though. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next one. This is overall for the year. I think we've nearly hit 50%, which is cool. 50% gain. But yeah, thank you. See you later, guys. Adios. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later on. Peace out.